I'd like to show you how I use Excel to organize the papers and projects that I'm busy with. One year I was on sabbatical and all of a sudden there were just so many projects on my table and I didn't know where to start, and I thought, let me put them all into Excel so that I can just have the full picture. And this is what I came up with. So here are the list of papers and projects. Here are the order of authorship, first, second, other authorship. Here are the area of speciality. And you'll see there's a drop-down box. Here are whether it's a systematic review or not. I love systematic reviews, so I added this in. And we do a lot of research in motion analysis. And here are whether it's a motion analysis project or not. Now you'll see that it gives you a score. So this score was purely calculated because I didn't know where to start. And it's arbitrary, and you need to adapt the system to work for your own needs. And here is the level of input. You know, sometimes there's easy finishes, a low-hanging fruit, and you can choose whether it needs lots of input or a little input. You'll see that when something needs a little bit of input, this stays green, and if there's lots of input required, it goes red. And you'll see why later. And also whether action is required from me, if it's with the co-authors, or whether it has been submitted already. And even whether it's with the co-authors or not, there's a follow-up date here. And these are macro buttons, sort buttons. So you can easily sort your projects according to the date that they need to be followed up. For example, here, say you sort them and all those in cricket are up first. And here's a sort button, and you can see that all the green projects, in other words, the very important projects, are listed first. Here's a summary, total number of papers or projects, high priority, medium, and lower priority according to the niche area, whether I'm first author or not. Then, once you are done here, you can click Remove Selective Row, and it goes onto a completed sheet. And all your completed papers or projects are listed there, just for an archive. These buttons are data validation buttons. I'm using the list function, and my lists are here on this sheet. I hope this helps and that you can develop your own system that works for you to get yourself organized and just feel a little bit more in control. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. For more useful tips to boost your research experience, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. If you need a solution to a challenge not yet covered on my channel, leave a comment in the box below. See you in the next video.